In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Vivo phone to TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect any Vivo phone that you have to a smart TV. Of course, your TV needs to have smart capabilities, and you will be able to set up any Vivo smartphone model. So to start, go over to the settings on your device. When you access the settings, you should go over to Other Networks and Connections. Primarily, you will be able to set up the transmission over to a TV here, but if you don't find the option here, you can also explore the Bluetooth category instead. But for most models, try this method first. So once you go over to Other Networks and Connections, you will be able to find Smart Mirroring. Like I said, if you don't see this option, then try going over to Bluetooth instead, but first, try Smart Mirroring. Inside of Smart Mirroring, you will be able to transmit anything that you see on your smartphone's screen or in your files over to other devices such as a TV. So you will have two main ways to do this. The first one is going to be local file mirroring. This allows you to choose a video file, an image, or even music, and of course transmit only that file to a TV. By doing this, you can still use your mobile device and you will be able to transmit even while using other applications, playing games, and so on. When you choose any of these options, you will be redirected to the file browser, and once you select any files, you will be able to enable this option, choose whichever folder you want to share, the file types available, and connect to your device over here. You will have to enable DLNA capabilities on your TV or make sure that they are connected to the same network and then tap OK. Alternatively, for the secondary method, so this is going to be the first, if you want to use screen mirroring, this is going to allow you to transmit everything that is on your smartphone screen. So instead of transmitting over only a single video, only a single image or music, this one will allow you to transmit everything that is going on your screen. So whenever you switch applications, the TV will show that. Whenever you open a game, the TV is going to show that, and so on. For this one, it's simple. You just enable it and you make sure that you are on the same Wi-Fi network on both devices. So both of your smartphone and your TV need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. And as long as both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, you will be able to get this done. The TV is going to appear under the list of devices and you can simply select it from here. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Vivo phone to TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.